Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix Google One is not available for your Google account yet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, let's go through some of the common causes. So, country region restriction, Google One is not supported in every country. Workspace business account, if you're using a work, school or managed Google account, Google One may not be allowed. Unsupported age or account type, child account or some family linked accounts may not have access. Also some technical account glitch, sometimes cache data or billing profile errors can trigger this. So I'm going to go through these one by one on how to fix this. Now I want to go ahead and check availability in your country. So visit Google One availability list. If your country isn't listed, you won't be able to activate it unless you switch your Google account region. Now if you're logged into a Google Workspace, so this can be business school account, try signing out and start using a standard@gmail.com account. Verify your Google Play country and payment profile. So go to Google Pay, settings, country region. Make sure it matches a Google One supported country. If wrong, you may need to create a new payment profile in the correct region. Also check age and family settings. So if your account is set up as a child account under Family Link, you may not be eligible. In that case, try upgrading through the Family's Manager account. Try clearing cache and another device. So on mobile, clear Google Play Store and Google One app cache, or try logging in via browser at one.google.com. Now the last one here, if everything seems correct but you still see the error, you want to go ahead and contact Google One support from the help section in the app or website.